today's video and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Fabiola and I love creating all kinds of pink videos. So if that's something you're into, make sure to click the subscribe button down below, click the bell notification, and follow me on my Instagram. So today I have a super exciting video. I am doing a collaboration with the beautiful Brittany Devella. I'm going to leave her YouTube channel down below as well as her Instagram. So we decided to do a nighttime routine video and I am just so thrilled and so excited. One, because I'm doing a collaboration with Brittany, and two, because I've never done a nighttime routine video, and I am just so excited to share with you all the products that I use, my recommendations, and just my nighttime routine. Like, this is so exciting. And Brittany, thank you so much for doing this collaboration with me. Girly, you are such an inspiration to me. I love watching all your videos. Your Instagram feed is gorgeous. You need to go ahead and follow her there and subscribe to her channel. She has beautiful content and all her YouTube videos are super girly. She does lots of pink hauls, decor, makeup, and get readies with me. So make sure you follow her and go check out her YouTube channel and Instagram. Thank you so much again, girly, for doing this collab with me. You are the best. So that being said, I will leave her video as well, so you can just jump over to her video after you finish watching this one and show her some love on her YouTube channel. I love you all so much, and let's go ahead and get started. Welcome to my nighttime routine. Let's go ahead and get started. First thing I do is I always remove my makeup with some makeup wipes prior to jumping in the shower. I am a nighttime person, so I do like to wash my hair before bedtime, especially because it gets rid of all the allergens and pollen throughout the day. I am using my favorite shampoos and conditioners from Olaplex. These are my holy grail and they have literally saved my hair. I have the whole set and I highly recommend it. If you haven't tried the Sol de Janeiro body wash, you need to try it. It smells incredible. I also like to use a body scrub to help smooth out my skin and make it more soft. Once my hair is towel dried, I do like to apply a few drops of the Olaplex Bonding Oil number 7. This gets rid of the frizz and helps with the split ends. To get rid of any remaining trace of makeup, I am using this new product from Elemis. It's called the Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm 3-in-1 Melting Cleanser. I was gifted from Elemis and Skeepers, and I'm super thankful that they sent this out to me. This here removes any trace of makeup, daily pollutants, and impurities, and it gives you a soft, glowing complexion. It has a blend of 9 essential oils, including lavender, chamomile, eucalyptus, and it smells literally like heaven in a jar. After rinsing off the cleansing balm, I will be using my Glow Recipe Toner. I also have my Watermelon Glow Pink Moisturizer and my Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. That smells incredible and it literally smells like fresh watermelon. To finish off, I'm using my Laneige Bouncy and Firm Sleeping Mask. It's a mask that you leave overnight, and some of the benefits is that it plumps, hydrates, and glows while you're sleeping. Lastly, I'll be using my Giselle Lip Oil. It smells like honey, and it leaves your lips super soft. I'm using my favorite Sol de Janeiro Perfume Mist and my new Truly Luxury Body Oil. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed with this. It has peptides, hyaluronic acid, it's vegan, and it literally smells incredible.
The traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that.